going on here to clean it up. We'll clean it up. Where you going?
I'm eating chicken finger.
Matches your car.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right?
Alright, here we go. Let's see if the Stars and Stripes is safe on the ceramic.
So a ton of you guys have been asking me, can I use your Stars and Stripes touchless washes on my ceramic coating? And the short answer is we do use it. We've been experimenting with it for some time, and we have a bunch of customers who over the past year straight, multiple times a week, have been washing down their vehicles that are ceramic coated, and we've never had any issues come up whatsoever. Looking into the pH tolerances of the ceramic coatings that are out there, Stars and Stripes is within that range, and it also has no added waxes or polymers, and that means that it's not going to do anything to slow down how nicely ceramic releases water. Ceramic is very nice to clean with this stuff because it releases road film so much easier than an untreated surface would. So I love washing down ceramic coated stuff, just seeing all the water just shoot right off. It's real nice to work with. Now, if you do prefer to stick with a strictly neutral pH wash and get hands-on with the thing with a mitt, then I would recommend our latest wash. We named it Foam. It's a neutral pH with no added waxes or polymers either, so it's kind of designed with this in mind. So if that's your preference, we do offer that. But this is a really nice solution to not even touch the vehicle at all, no risk of scratching whatsoever, and it seems to hold up well.
Beating up. I love washing ceramic, man. It's so easy.